Hello students, today we start session 4 that is called types of computers. Session 4 types of computers. On the basis of operations, computer is classified into 3 categories. On the basis of operations, यूज के आधार पे कंप्यूटर को 3 पार्ट्स में कैटेगराइज किया गया है. First part is called analog computers, and second is called digital computers, and third is called hybrid computers. But on the basis of actually what is the analog computers? Analog computer basically perform the numerical and mathematical operations. Analog computer basically perform the numerical and mathematical operation, while the digital computers work on the digital means on the basis of bits. Digital computer generally use bits means 0 and 1 format, digital computer. And hybrid computer is the combination of analog computer and the digital computers. But now on the basis of physical structure, computer is classified into 4 category. On the basis of principle, computer is classified into 4 category. First category is called microcomputer. Why it is called microcomputer? Because it use the microprocessor. And example of the microcomputer is laptop, notebook, and our computer that is called personal computer. It means that microcomputer is also known as the personal computer, that is called PC. Second type of computer is called mini computer. Mini computer is basically bigger in size of the microcomputer. Mini computer basically is the bigger in size of the personal computer, and it has the high speed of the data processing as compared as the microprocessor in mini computer has the high speed of the data processing. Mini computer is basically used in the government agency. And nowadays mini computers are used in the web server. It is used in the web server के रूप में यूज किया जाता है. In 1960 Digital Equipment Corporation was the first introduced the mini computer. In 1960 Digital Equipment DEC first introduced the mini computer, and later on IBM also designed the series of mini computer that is called AS400. What is AS400? AS400 is a type of mini computer which was developed by IBM Corporation. And third type of computer is called mainframe computer. Mainframe computer is larger than the mini computer. Mini computer से थोड़ा और ज़्यादा larger होता है, larger than the mini computers. And mainframe computers process the data at very high speed, which is the millions of instructions per second. The data processing speed is very high, millions of instructions per second, as compared as the mini computer. These are very expensive, and mainframe computers are used for design for the multiples users. And IBM also designed the same computer is equal to S390. In many time in the examination The question is asked example of mini computer AS400 या S390. So you must have to remember mini computer example IBM AS400 and mainframe computer S390 is the example of the mainframe computers. The main use of mainframe computers are at the same time 50,000 person can use the same a single computer at the different लोकेशंस. एक बार में 50,000 से ज़्यादा लोग मेन फ्रेम कंप्यूटर्स को वर्क कर सकते हैं. एंड 4 टाइप ऑफ कंप्यूटर इज कॉल्ड सुपर कंप्यूटर. 4 टाइप ऑफ कंप्यूटर इज कॉल्ड सुपर कंप्यूटर. सुपर कंप्यूटर. सुपर कंप्यूटर. Supercomputer basically used in government agency या Indian Revenue Service या National Weather Forecast Service या National Defense Service. Supercomputers are used in these area. For example of supercomputers are Cray, C-R-A-Y, Cray 1, Cray 2, Cray 1, Cray 2, Param, P-A-R-A-M, Cray 1, Cray 2 and Param. These are the example of supercomputers. The cost of supercomputer is very costly, approx 3 crores 5 crores for one computers, and these are not generally used for our service. These are used for space agency, research agency and medical services. Now in next session we learn the session 5 which entitled computer operating system. It is a part of the software system. These all topics which learn in the 4 different segment, basically we deals about the hardware side. In the first day I have already teach you computer is classified into hardware and software. So session 1, session 2, session 3 and session 4 basically deals about the hardware segment. In next class we start the software segment. Thank you.